Hi friends, welcome to Vicreation Technologies. Please do like and subscribe to our channel. And today in this video we will talk about remove items from our C# list. So what do you mean by remove items from our C# list? So first of all we will just create a list, means which is just an existing list, and from that existing list we are just trying to remove a particular item from that particular list. So here I will just first create a list and I will display the number of items present in that list, and after that by using the remove method I will just remove a particular item from that list. And to demonstrate that, let me move to a Visual Studio to explain you with couple of examples. So alright, I am in the Visual Studio. Now let me first create a list, and here I am just taking a int list, means which can contain only int values into it, and after that I will just add couple of items into my list of int. So here I have just created a list of int types, so which will just take only int values into it, and after that I added just 10, 20, 30 int values into my int list. After that, by using the for loop I am printing each values. So when I will just run the application, then it should print like 10, 20, 30 in my output window. Alright, so in my output window the same output is displaying. Now let me just use my remove method. So here I will just take my int list dot remove, and here the remove method is only take one parameter, and as we are using the list of int types, so we just need to pass the int values into it. And here I just need to pass my item values, like if I just want to remove a particular item from that list, then I need to pass what is that amount of value in my remove method. So let's say here I just want to remove my 10 values, so here I will just pass 10, and if I run the application, then it should print like 20 and 30. So in my output window the same 20 and 30 is displaying. So if I, in place of 10, let's say I will just change it to 20. Yeah, so now if I run it again, then it should show like 10 and 30. Yeah, and the same output is displaying. And if I'll, in place of 20, if I'll add like 30, then it should show like 10 and 20. And in the output window same is displaying. So whenever you have a requirement, like you just want to remove a particular item from your list, then at that time you can use the remove method. So this is all about today's videos. Thank you.